The Zimbabwe Anti-Corruption Commission ZACC has announced its intentions to investigate controversial businessman Wigno Chivhayo along with his former business partners Mike Chimombe and Moses Mpofu for suspected fraud and money laundering. Sanambina mashoko abuda panapa achinyogwa muni under radio ruti for subscribe or like on the bell icon. Nutwanonyora vachiti according to ZACC spokesperson Tandiwe Mlovani, the commission has taken note of letter purportedly written to Mpofu and Chimombe to a South African-based company Rainform demanding payment and the resolution of a contractual dispute. The trio is in a bitter fight over the alleged $40 million corrupt elections tender deal. Chimombe and Mpofu claimed that Chivhayo went on a spending spree after receiving money from a corrupt $40 million Zimbabwe Electoral Commission tender last year. They allege that Chivhayo bought two Maybachs of luxury car brand in 1 week, one in Johannesburg for 3.5 million rand and another in Harare for $400,000, which he referred to as little change. Saka ndo mashoko rubuda panapa zvinzi aiwa timu vakomana veZACC vakuti aiwa vakudeploya kuti vainvestigate nauya Wigno Chivhayo kuti aiwa akaskwanda 40 million tender aiwa yema-elections. Sachimotoze mafungiro enyu kuti munoti kudii pamusoro peinitiative yunzi aiwa ZACC ida kuinvestigata Wigno Chivhayo. Aiwa chimotoze mafungiro enyu pera comment section medu, so subscribe kulike chero turn on the bell icon.